Hi, I'm Bea Stratton. I'm with Denver Water, and we're currently at our Einfeldt facility near DU campus, as you can see. And we're standing on about 6,000 square feet of what we would consider to be non-functional turf. Non-functional turf grass is grass that's being watered, but really is only being stood on to be mowed. We were recently awarded a grant from the Colorado Water Conservation Board and Resource Central, and we are receiving 1,250 square feet of turf removal that you'll see that Resource Central is currently removing, and we'll be replacing that with 385 low water plants later this week. So it's planting day. We have Denver Water crew here planting about 385 low water plants. This is replacing 1,250 square feet of turf that was heavily watered. We estimate that after establishment, which we'd say is about 3 years, we estimate to save about 15,000 gallons of water a year.
The Colorado Water Conservation Board has partnered with Resource Central to work on the Transformative Landscape Change Challenge, or TLC for short, to award grant funding to eligible entities to identify a place that is high visibility, that they can remove turf and replace it with drought-resistant and water-wise vegetation. This project that Denver Water is doing is one piece of the puzzle for how we address our water issues in Colorado, and we're just very excited to be working with them to start moving in the right direction with reducing our water use and hopefully motivating other people who see the project to do the same in their own backyards.
After we finish phase 1 of this landscape transformation, we will start to transition this remaining almost 5,000 square feet of high water turf grass to a low water native mix, including some wildflowers mixed in. We're extremely excited to see these plants grow and establish over the next few years. This is in a highly trafficked and public area next to DU, and we welcome the public to come and check out this project for inspiration for their own landscape transformation change. For more information, you can check out denverwater.org/tap.